Why were you delaying? Don't you know we are late for school? Please, Shalom, don't be angry. I'm looking for my textbook. Which of the textbook? The English textbook. Maybe you should look for it in the cupboard. You might find it there. Okay. Please be fast. Hello? Who am I speaking with, please? Yes? Yeah. What? Jesus! Yes, so my sisters. She is saying the truth. Every disappointment is a blessing. As for me, life continues. How I wish it's even my own parents that even died. What? Yes. Yes. You people might be surprised, but I'm saying the fact. Look at my parents. If I want to go out, they will say, "Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?" I don't even have chance to go anywhere I want. Emeka and his friends side should tell you that they heard what happened. Yes, so you people can visit them and they heard what happened. You people can come to their people can visit them anytime you want. You must be very stupid.
Me?
Yes.
Stupid?
Yes. So you came to our house to mock us, Abi?
Please, it's not like that.
Then like what? What she said is true. Oh, you're even supporting her. Oh yeah, the two of you. You can leave our house.
Okay, we should leave your house.
I said leave our house.
Leave.
I will leave. But you must join our group.
Beautiful girls like you.
You are wasting your time.
We will leave.
Can you imagine? Let's of the same parents together.
Jesus Christ. We forbid bad thing in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
It's true that our parents are dead now.
But we must not forget everything they have taught us.
That our parents' death is not physical, but spiritual.
That's what I'm saying. The enemies are still there, but we keep on praying. You know you are the only family I have left.
And that's why I love you.
You will not understand. Dad was planning on how to send us to Canada to study. Sweet mother, I never forget you.
For this suffer where you suffer for us.
When I remember the things I passed through, and I go back by every night and day with the grand and toilet for my eye. Hustle and prayer in the open.